Hi everyone, Angela here. We are going to do a shade garden tour today. Kind of an update since, I don't know, I think it was just a couple weeks ago, maybe 2-3 weeks ago, since I posted a video on the shade garden. But there's been so much growth that I thought I would show you guys. Okay, here we go. Alright, so we're going to start over here on the west end. Like I said before, all of these plants were given to me by my mom and dad up in Minnesota. And so they have just grown incredibly, but I had to do some moving around because they were cramped. So I moved one of the plants here, and this heuchera that's in the back. Look how gorgeous that is. Ooh. I can't wait to see the blooms. Anyways, it is going to move kind of right here in the middle of all three of these big hostas. And then this guy is going to move somewhere else. I'm not quite sure. But you can see how much, I mean, these two kind of lemon lime hostas were, I don't know, they maybe had 2 leaves 3 weeks ago. And now they're just boom. Look, this guy's shooting out new leaves everywhere. We have blooms over here. Just think they are so cool. They kind of remind me of like turkey legs because of the little spur. I don't know why. But yeah, this guy over here has blooms. This one is starting to open. I'm so excited. So it's Memorial Day weekend. We already have blooms on our hostas. This is Dorothy Benedict. I remembered for the first time. This is my favorite plant. Favorite hosta, because look at the leaves. I mean, they're big, they're cupped, they're variegated, they have this ripple in there. Like, that is hybrid perfection. So gorgeous. I did get 2 double impatiens just to throw in here. I grabbed some white ones because I just needed them for some other places, and these were just left over, so I threw them in. This guy was way over on that side. Moved him over here so you can see big picture. I moved the 2 ligularias. They were right there. I moved them apart because they're going to get even bigger, probably about twice the size. And then, I don't know, we might have a bloom coming up here. There we go. Oops, sorry. We are starting to bloom. So these are going to be incredible. You guys, I think they're going to be like 6 feet tall blooms. They're just going to be gorgeous. I think they're orange, yellowish. Going to be so pretty. And then over here, we kind of have everything where I want it to be. We have blooms over on this hosta. Here's the ligularia with the bloom. And then these are like a small hosta, medium. I think that's going to be a big boy. It's just a very immature plant. And then another medium and a medium. So I think I'm going to move some of those lemon limes over here to really pull out the color in that. I mean, look at this, guys. Look at that color. So gorgeous. It's even brighter in person. So beautiful. And I have some pots over here. I put in some, I don't know what these ones are. Supertunias, I think. Oh, I have a thing here. Yeah, Super Cascade White. They're gorgeous. They're supposed to like really spread out. So I might clip them back and see if we can get some more there. But they're doing really great. So let's pop over here real fast and just see some of the quick changes I made in here. The ferns were all over here, and I spread them out. There's a couple in the back there that will grow up too. I got some asparagus ferns just to have some softer texture in there. And I really liked this blue. See, it has that same ripple. This blue hosta with the bloom coming out. So I got a couple of, now I can't even remember what those are. Silver, maybe not, I don't know. My husband bought me some coleus. And then up here we have those double impatiens. Really looking good. And the squirrels plant these. Oh no, that one is just from the tree, whatever. Anyways, they're everywhere, so I need to weed some more. But yeah, so this is looking pretty good. Our hydrangea is really kicking it. I should have cut these off. I should have trimmed. There's like 4 really big ones. I should have trimmed them so that it was more like uniform. Live and learn. But look at these. These are the same plant that were on the other side of the tree over there, but they get more sun, so they are really taking off. They just look great. And then we've got a couple dogs. Hey guys. And I brought my jasmine out yesterday to start getting some outdoor sun. It gets all morning shade and then some afternoon sun, so it's doing really great out here. But I think that's it, folks. So let me pause here and we'll see you in the next video, okay?